Hey foodies, listen up. Are you tired of eating the same old boring food that even your dog wouldn't touch? Do you want to give your taste buds a wild ride they'll never forget? Then pack your bags and get ready for a culinary trip around the world. And don't forget your stretchy pants. We're about to embark on a delicious adventure, exploring the most iconic dishes from every corner of the globe. Warning, drooling may occur. From the spicy streets of Bangkok to the charming cafes of Paris, each country boasts its own unique flavors and culinary traditions. And yes, you can Instagram it all. We'll dive into the heart of these cultures, discovering the secrets behind their signature dishes, the freshest ingredients, and the passionate people who create them. Spoiler alert, it's going to be mouth-watering. Get ready to tantalize your senses as we reveal the art of sushi making in Japan, where fish meets rice in a love story, the fiery passion of Mexican tacos. Because who doesn't love a good taco fiesta? And the rich history behind a perfect plate of Italian pasta. Mamma mia, it's pasta time. So loosen your belts, grab a napkin, and prepare yourself for a culinary journey that will leave you craving more. Bon appetit! All right, you donkey. Just kidding, let's dive into some deliciousness. Let's start this culinary journey in Japan, the land of the rising sun, where the art of sushi reigns supreme. And no, I don't mean the stuff you find at the gas station. Forget that pathetic excuse for sushi you get at the supermarket. We're talking about the real deal. The kind that makes you question all your life choices. The freshest fish flown in straight from the Tsukiji fish market, sliced with precision and served with an elegance that'll make your heart skip a beat. Or maybe that's just the wasabi. We'll witness the masters at work, their hands moving with lightning speed as they craft each piece of nigiri, sashimi, and maki. It's like watching a culinary magic show, the delicate balance of flavors, the perfect texture of the rice. It's an art form that takes years to master. And a lot of rice, but trust me, one bite of that melt-in-your-mouth tuna and you'll understand why sushi is more than just food in Japan. It's a way of life. And a delicious one at that. Next up, Mexico. Get ready to spice up your life. Hold on to your sombreros because things are about to get caliente. We're diving head first into the vibrant world of tacos, where every bite is like a fiesta in your mouth. From the sizzling street food stalls to family-run kitchens, tacos are more than just a meal in Mexico. They're practically a national pastime. Picture this. Warm corn tortillas piled high with slow-cooked meats, tangy salsas, creamy guacamole, and a squeeze of lime. It's like a hug for your taste buds. Each ingredient sings in perfect harmony, creating a symphony of flavors that'll have you shouting, "Oh." Or maybe just more, please. We'll explore the different types of tacos, from the classic al pastor with its marinated pork. That's so good it might just make you dance, to the hearty barbacoa, slow-cooked for hours until it melts in your mouth. Warning, may cause extreme taco cravings. Chapter 3. Pasta, Italy, a taste of tradition. Now let's hop over to Italy, the birthplace of romance, and you guessed it, pasta, because nothing says I love you like carbs. Forget that overcooked slop you get in some restaurants. We're talking about fresh pasta made with love and the finest ingredients. And maybe a pinch of Italian magic. We'll visit the rolling hills of Tuscany, where families have been perfecting their pasta-making skills for generations, and probably arguing over whose nonna makes it best. Picture this, nonnas, with flour-dusted aprons, teaching us the secrets to crafting the perfect ravioli, while giving us the side-eye for not rolling it thin enough. The delicate art of shaping tortellini, which is basically pasta origami, and the satisfying rhythm of rolling out fresh tagliatelle. It's like a pasta symphony, and the sauces, oh the sauces. They're like a warm hug from an Italian grandmother. Rich tomato ragu simmered for hours. Because good things come to those who wait. Creamy carbonara with crispy pancetta. The ultimate breakfast for dinner dish. And pesto made with fresh basil and fragrant olive oil. It's like a garden party in your mouth. Chapter 4. Paella, Spain. A feast for the senses. Get ready to spice things up again as we head to Spain, the land of flamenco dancing and the culinary masterpiece that is paella, or as I like to call it, the rice dish that dreams are made of. This isn't just some rice dish. It's a celebration of flavors, colors, and aromas that'll transport you straight to the sun-drenched shores of Valencia. And maybe even make you dance a little flamenco. Imagine a massive pan sizzling over an open fire filled with saffron-infused rice, and the sound of your stomach growling in anticipation. Succulent seafood, chicken, chorizo, and vegetables. It's like a party in a pan. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, and possibly make your neighbors jealous. We'll witness the skilled paella masters as they expertly combine these ingredients. Like culinary wizards casting a delicious spell, creating a dish that's as visually stunning as it is delicious. And trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Chapter 5. Curry, India, a Symphony of Spices. Finally, we arrive in India, a country bursting with vibrant colors, intoxicating aromas, and a cuisine that's as diverse as its landscape. And trust me, your taste buds are in for a wild ride. Forget those bland, boring curries. We're talking about the real deal. Complex, aromatic, and bursting with flavor. It's like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited, from the fiery vindaloo of Goa. That might just set your taste buds on fire, to the creamy butter chicken of Delhi, which is basically a hug in a bowl. Each region of India boasts its own unique curry, like a culinary fingerprint, a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage. And yes, your grandma's secret recipe has some serious competition. We'll explore bustling spice markets, where you might just get lost in a sea of spices, where the air is thick with the scent of turmeric, like a golden cloud of deliciousness, cumin and cardamom. It's a spice lover's paradise. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate food tour that even your taste buds will thank you for. A culinary trip around the world, exploring the most iconic dishes that'll make your taste buds sing like a karaoke night gone right. But hold on to your forks. This is just the appetizer. Now it's your turn to embark on your own food adventure. Don't worry, calories don't count when you're on vacation, right? Get out there, explore different cultures, and don't be afraid to try something new, but just maybe avoid the mystery meat. But you never know, that next bite might just be your new favorite dish. Or at least a great story to tell. Remember, food is more than just sustenance. It's a journey, an experience, and a way to connect with people from all walks of life. Plus, it's a great excuse to eat more. So what are you waiting for? Your taste buds are practically begging you. Subscribe to the channel, tell us about your favorite food experiences in the comments below, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Because sharing is caring, especially when it comes to food. Now go on, get out there and explore the delicious world of food. Bon appetit!